Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jack and this is my happy place. Today I have something a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing my IPSY bag that just came this morning, so I am very excited to share it with all of you. So I did have some delays with mine. They emailed me, let me know it was gonna be late, so I was a little sad. I was like worried, where is it? But it is here and I am ready to unbox it with you. If you do like this content, please be sure to let me know down below in the comments. I normally do Dollar Tree hauls and different types of hauls. I'm gonna be moving into doing things around my house as well. So if you like it, stick around and let's get started right away. Okay, so I have my box here. And I did purchase a couple extra items this month, you know, treat yourself. I really liked them, wanted to, so I did it. So the first thing that's in here is this cute makeup bag. I do have the Glam Ultimate, whatever like the biggest one is I got, because I just switched. I started off with the original. I've been an IPSY member for a long time, and I went back and forth, like when they had the next size up, I'm like, do I get that one, do I not? I waited for a while, I did it, tried it, and then they came out with like the biggest one. I'm like, can't hurt for a couple months, I'll try it. It's been a couple months. So it's yellow on the inside, really nice, really cute. I love these bags for a lot of different things, so I love to keep them around. And okay, so the first thing, I'll just get right into it. The first thing that I got is this Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water Prime, Set, and Refresh. And this is by Laura Geller. And it's 4 fluid ounces. The next thing I got was Dr. Brand's Skin Changing Science Luminizer Primer. So pores no more. So I'm gonna open this. It's 1 fluid ounce. So, okay, I just switched my lighting, so hopefully you guys can see these better. So, pores no more illuminating primer. And, okay, that might not work. I'll just read it. All skin types, illuminating primer base. Apply on clean skin, moisturized skin. Use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin or under your makeup to prep your skin for flawless application AM and PM. So I thought that was cool. I'm gonna put this back in there. Not bad, I like that. I always need a primer. Honestly, I don't really wear makeup that much for getting this much makeup, but I do like to sample and try out different things. I tend to have like a little bit of like a redness underneath my skin, so anything that kind of helps cover that, I'm usually all for. The next thing I got is this Huda Beauty. I'm really bad at these names, I'm sorry guys, but this is the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. Okay, the next thing I got is this Auto Balm by The Balm. I love The Balm products. They're great. My sister got me hooked on them like a couple Christmases ago. She got me a highlighter from them and it like changed everything. I loved it. So their products I definitely recommend. So this is what this looks like on the inside. You can see my fireplace a little. I love their products. Oh wait, what is this? I should probably tell you that. So this is Cheeks on the Go is what this is. Girl Power. It comes in, the colors are Houston, Bourbon, Bleecker, and Fifth Ave. So all famous streets. And they're like blushes and highlighter, so nice. I love this stuff for like vacation too, because it's always fun when you're going away to like bring fresh like makeup. You feel like it's, you know, a vacation. So I love always bringing this stuff with me because I feel like I have something brand new. I'm on vacation. It's like great vibes all around. So I always bring my IPSY makeup on vacation. Okay, so this is Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette. don't know what this brand is. Okay, so it does list all the colors and stuff on the back here. Ooh, wow, I like these colors because I don't really wear eyeshadow a lot, but these colors are nice and neutral, so that's cool. Okay, this is the next thing I got, which I picked this because sometimes they let you pick what you want to come in there. And this is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisturizer, broad spectrum, SPF 30. So brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. I love this stuff. It just is like everyday moisturizer. It's really good because I love that it has a SPF in it. But I have this now and I use this. So when I saw that it was available in the IPSY, which is where I got it from originally, I was like, I picked this one. I was like, I definitely want this again. So I got that. The next thing I got is banana setting powder. So this is, I don't know what this is, but, and this is the back. So this is like a setting powder. I usually don't really use a setting powder too much because my skin tends to get really dry. I prefer like the mist. Okay, then mascara. I love mascara. I always love when I get mascara, so that's awesome. Let's check out the brush, my favorite thing to do. Ooh, yeah, that's gonna be good. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so if you guys check out my Dollar Tree hauls, I have been finding some amazing lashes at the Dollar Tree, but I never use them probably because I'm obsessed with mascara. I like to do my mascara myself. I'm really particular about my eyelashes, but I am excited to try those out. So if you haven't checked out my Dollar Tree hauls, take a look at some of those because I've been finding like very, very nice lashes if that's something that you like. I definitely wear lashes, but usually like more for when I go to weddings, like special events, things like that. I won't really wear them on like an everyday basis. I did have like the fake ones on for, not fake, like extensions for a little bit, but that was more like, I'm kind of over that now. So I'm really excited to check this one out. I think it's gonna be great. Okay, pore tightening clay mask. I'll probably give this to my sister. She like loves all these. She's 17. She loves to do this stuff. So and maybe I'll try it once, but I feel like I have a million of these. You always get these. This is the Bio Race Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask. So that is a 1 ounce container. Deep cleanse, tightens pores, sebum control. This clay mask reduces the appearance of pores and draws impurities to even out skin tone. So, okay. Okay, we'll just leave that there. Acne treatment face oil, UFO, Sunday Riley. I'm excited for this. That's cool. For the treatment and prevention of acne, blackheads, this 1.5% salicylic acid medication, dry oil, clears congested pores and smoother blemish-free skin. So that's cool. It's 0.17 ounces, so not big. Very tiny. That's nice though. Ooh, I'm excited to try this because I usually put oil on my face like every night, so that's cool. Okay. This is I think it's lipstick. Badass MF. That's what it says. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I like this color a lot. I don't know this brand, but that's why I got IPSY. All right, let's try it. I should have like brought a mirror over here. So sorry if I do this weird. Okay. Good enough for what it is, but pretty. I like this a lot. This looks really nice. Nice. I'm very excited to have this one too. So I never heard of this brand, but I'm excited to try it. We'll use it. Okay, and then this is the last thing that was in here. And I think this is what I paid extra for. I'm almost positive. If I open it and it is, then yeah. So like right before they'll have you, before they send it out, there's like, oh, there's all these add-ons. They send you an email of things that you can add on to your order. Yeah. And oh wait, no, this came with it. Maybe I didn't get it. Okay, well what I did get was brushes, but this isn't it. I'm gonna have to call them tomorrow. Okay, well I got these brushes instead, so I'm just gonna have to find out where the other ones went, which I'm excited because the whole reason why I ordered brushes was because I felt like the ones I had were just like really old. I clean them all the time, but I think it's just time to like move on and get some new ones so that way my skin doesn't, you know, get like acne and stuff from it. So every so often it's always good to clean, like just like recycle them out. So these all came in here. So this is Loris, I don't know this brand. Vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, synthetic. So there's like these two big ones, which are really nice. Feels good. That one. Then this one for like blush and stuff. I think that's what it's for. Don't criticize me. I don't know. I think that's what it is. I use it for what I use it for. You use it for what you use it for. It's fine, however you want to use it. But if there's a better way I can use it, make sure you let me know in the comments. All right, and then these, which I'm just assuming are like all for eyeshadow and whatever. I don't know. Cool though. The handles on these are real. Hold on, I'm trying to pull it out. Are really nice. It's like a matte black. So that's really nice. I like that. And it's like textured. Oh, it says Kabuki on here. I don't know if they all say that. Oh, it says what they are. Cool. Okay. So this one says Kabuki. This one says tapered blending. Definitely be doing that. And then this one says shadow. See, I was right about one of them. Shadow. Then this like straight edge one says flat foundation. And then this last one says angle contour. So nice. These are really nice brushes. Okay, so that is everything for my IPSY haul. I hope you, well, IPSY box. I hope you guys liked everything that I got, and if you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Like and subscribe down below for more content like this. I'll be having lots of hauls, unboxing, organizing around my house, and I'm so happy to have you along for this journey with me. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Thanks, guys.